All right, Coach Jared is gonna demonstrate a single arm landmine push press. Come on in, Coach. Woo! All right, good job. All right, we're gonna be going his right arm first, so it's a split stance here. So single arm landmine push press. Push press meaning that it's getting his whole body involved, so it's a lot of a lower half exercise. Finishes it with a single arm drive. So let's first show you how it's gonna look. Good dip, and then drives. Good. Good, you can see it bends into it, sits down, and then he pushes through the floor. Good. And switch. Now, some common things that we see is people, they don't use their lower half as much, so it becomes just a shoulder exercise. So you can see Jared's kind of not utilizing his lower half, so it's all coming from the shoulder. So you want to make sure that's a nice dip, and then a drive. Good. And if you can switch to your right arm here, we'll show our viewers how the shoulder works here. So you want to make sure the shoulder is packed like any other exercise is tight. And then if he comes up, slow, pause, you can see the shoulder stays pretty packed. It's not reaching out of the socket, right? You can come out. Yeah, it's not reaching out like that. You want to make sure it stays packed, and then they come back to reset. Bam, it's a pause right there. So all this is tight. Then they dip and they drive. So do 2 good reps right here for our viewers. Nice.